Gonna make a quick trip over to my buddy Cory's house. He's got an LSA-Swapped Gbody, actually a Gbody with an LSA blower on it. He just got it running, so we're gonna run over there and check it out, see what it sounds like. It's got a pretty cool cog belt setup on it, and I've seen videos, but I haven't heard it in person, so I'm gonna take you guys along.
I've seen the way you wrench. I'm like, don't do it, just trust me. Are you really GoPro with me?
I'm gonna put you on film. That's all right.
Well, my garage is
messy.
messy.
Do I have your concern?
My garage is messy, okay? So don't judge, because I know you got the perfect garage.
Yeah, I'm not doing any work in mine yet.
I don't have the coolant pump for the heat exchanger and stuff set up yet. So I can't really let it run.
What's that smell?
Gas. You ready?
Yeah, let me hear it.
It's quiet.
What? Oh my God!
So, well, I mean, you want modern technology, but you want the old school.
You're gonna have to speak up. I can't hear.
You want modern technology, but you want the old school sound, you know?
Jesus criminy. That is loud as Jesus.
That's how Kentucky boys do it.
Jesus Christ.
That's all.
You kids.
Hey, you started. Actually, I got a sticker for you. One of my friends, Bill at Stebbins Garage, came up with a cool little design, and I may or may not have robbed it, but I'll let you have one.
That's awesome. That's a cool design. I don't know who came up with that, but
some guy down the street, Stebbins Garage. Never heard of him.
Smart guy.
Now, don't judge the messy garage.
I'm not judging your garage.
This is actually cleaner than it was 15 minutes ago.
This garage gets stuff done, I can tell. Dude, that sounds insane.
It's so loud. You didn't know LSAs could sound like that, did you?
Mine doesn't sound like that. I'm glad, because I wouldn't be able to hear.
I'm not, yeah. So one of my friends told me, he's like, man, it's really going to quiet down when you put a hood on. I said, I'll let you know when I put the hood on next year.
Is it going to fit?
Yeah,
yeah.
It should clear.
I got a cow hood.
Oh, yeah.
You might have to cut some bracing out.
No, because I already looked at it, and the highest point is actually these fittings, and where the cow kind of comes down, it's raised up a little bit, just enough.
You can bring those fittings down, like mine are tucked down.
I was just talking about like right here is where it hit.
You can, well, here, yeah, I mean, if it's over here, you can definitely move that down, because I moved it on mine.
Yeah, plus you can twist these and kind of flatten her out.
Yeah. See, on mine, I ended up running them straight down. Of course, I got a bunch of shit here, but one of mine comes out front to the heat exchanger, and then the other one goes back. I've got a box back there, but
it fired right up. It had the old tune in the Terminator, and I went through and I just clicked the wizard button, and it asked you for cubic inch. It asks you for the desired air fuel ratio. It asks you about your injectors. And you can type in custom ones. You can get as detailed as you want. But I just put down FIC 1000s.
So they've already got the table loaded for that?
It's got all that.
That's awesome.
I typed it in, asked if it's boosted. You hit supercharger. It asks about the map sensor. And it asks how much timing do you want to retard per boost. You know, blah, 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 blah. And I just typed it in. It was 3 minutes worth of pecking buttons on the wizard. And I cranked it. I didn't even turn the key off. I cranked it. It probably spun 3 or 4 times and it fired right up. And then after about a minute, it has a good idle. You know, if you set it at like 1,000, it'll idle maybe 1,200 RPM, and it starts, I guess, correcting itself. And it was idling at 1,000. So I ended up turning it down to 850 now. And I'm not a computer guru. You're way smarter than I am, but my tuning friend is gonna, I don't even know what it's called. He's gonna somehow get like access to my laptop, and I'm gonna hook up my Terminator to my laptop. He's gonna have remote access, and he's gonna tune it to the best he can just from being in the garage, so that way I can drive it around for a couple days. Because, you know, there's always small coolant leaks and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
I told him that I want to get all the bugs that I can find taken care of before it goes to the dyno. Because I got to beat my neighbor's horsepower goal.
Yeah, good luck.